Hi everyone, my name is Vadim Vilensky and I'm the local real estate agent in Toronto. In this video, I would like to talk to you about what does it take to become successful in real estate even when the market is slow. I will go with you through different points and I will share with you my experience of becoming successful in real estate at the worst market possible. One thing you have to remember is this. You always want to focus on the positive instead of focusing on the negative. Yes, the market is slow. I get it. But you have to remember this. People still need to buy and sell homes. That's reality. Homes are always sold and homes are always purchased, regardless of how bad the market is. So instead of you focusing on how the market is tough, focus on what you can actually do for people. The moment you understand this, your career is going to completely change. And remember, yes, market is tough, conditions are hard, homes are not being appraised at the right amount, mortgages are very difficult to get, but there are still buyers and sellers who are always looking to move. Another point that I really want to express, because I think this is something that is important, is make sure you focus on the relationship with your client versus trying to get another transaction done. Yes, commission is important, but at the same time, it is more important for your client to succeed in the purchase or the sale of the home than your commission. You heard it right. Commission comes naturally, but you need to understand that your client's desire to buy a home or to sell their house is way more important than your commission. So make sure that when you're focusing on your career, and here's my cat by the way, Coconut, he is all about focusing about relationships. He's not focusing about how hard the market is, even though the market can be difficult. So yes, remember this, relationships over transactions. Observe the market conditions. If let's say there is not a lot of listings on the market, but there are a lot of buyers, make sure you focus on the buyers. The same goes with the sellers. When there is a lot of homes, there's not enough inventory, but there's a lot of potential for homes to sell, focus on the sellers. You need to adapt yourself. You need to change as the market goes. Because if you're stuck, let's say every home sells on bidding war and buyers are upset that there's nothing to buy, focus on the sellers, get more listings. Don't focus on where the negative is. Focus on the positives. So this is a very important point that I have expressed before and I keep on expressing all the time. Put your clients first. Your clients are your boss. So whenever they say, I want to go see this home or I want to sell for that price, you show them the facts. Never ignore them and never disregard what they want. Make sure that you understand where they're coming from and you understand what they're trying to achieve. Because again, we have 2 years, 1 month. So we listen twice as much as we actually talk. Another point that is really crucial to discuss is that create long-term relationships. Don't just worry about making a commission right now. Think about it as a commission, as you help a buyer or a seller and you do everything you can for them and you ask for another referral and that referral gives you another referral and that referral gives you another referral. So from 1 transaction, you're now at 5 transactions. That's where the business is. Don't focus on the short term. Always focus on the long term. So now, with that we discussed a few other points, let's make sure that we recap and we understand that people always want to buy and sell homes. That's just real estate, that's life. So even if it's a market is currently slow, as long as you do everything you can to keep promoting yourself, to keep building a brand and become better and better with each day, the business will follow. So as long as you take care of the work will take care of you. And remember this, homes sell every single day. In our Toronto market, we have anywhere between 7,000 to 8,000 homes sell every single month. From 8,000 homes that I sold, there's 8,000 buyers. That's 16,000 transactions every single month. So don't let the nonsense where people say, oh yeah, but the market is slow. Just don't drink their Kool-Aid. Focus on yourself, stay away from those negative people, focus on creating, focus on becoming better, and you will automatically become better. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you. Have an amazing day.